Like the Android system on a smartphone, we can also root the system in the Bluestacks emulator. The way I made this without having to install an application that is enabled to root on Android. This method works on some versions of Bluestacks. In this Bluestacks, I have installed 32-bit and 64-bit Android Nougat, and I will do root both systems. To make sure the system has opened root access or not, I usually check it using the Root Checker basic application. To see it, just select Verify Root. Both of these Android systems cannot access root. And now, stop running Android Bluestacks first. After that, go to the folder where we save the Bluestacks file. If you save it by default, then open local disk C. Then select the Program Data folder. To view the folder, make sure View Hidden Items is checked. Once the folder is open, select the Bluestacks_NXT folder. Then on the bluestacks.conf file, right-click. Then select Open With. And here I will open it using Windows built-in Notepad. If the text on the notepad is still elongated. In the Format section, select Word Warp. Then set the display. To make it easier when searching for words, just press Ctrl+F. In the search box, type root. In bst.future.routing, change the value 0 to number 1. To activate the root system on the emulator, select it according to its name. Or we can also search for it in order from the emulator Bluestacks. In the Enable Root Access section, also change the value from 0 to 1. Do the same way if we have several Bluestacks emulators and want to root the system. If done, press Ctrl+S to save changes. To make sure it works or not, run Bluestacks again. If we installed Android Nougat 32 and 64-bit instead of the beta version, you will see the root access checkbox in the device section of the settings. And now, I will check it again using Root Checker Basics application. Both of Android systems have been successfully unlocked root access. That's how to root the Android emulator Bluestacks. And thanks for watching this video.